Hello, I'm Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com, and it is Wednesday, June 11th. So let's look at eToro. For whatever reason, well, I know why. When I first saw this, I'm going like, what do they make, lawnmowers? But that's like Toro. Anyway, I digress for no particular reason. But so the company reported, this is a like a trading platform, trading and investing platform. They reported earnings yesterday before the market opened. Stock gapped up just a bit and then absolutely got crushed. Kathy Wood, I always forget, is it Wood or Woods? I think it's Wood. Kathy Wood bought a bunch of this stuff on Tuesday. I don't know whether she bought it here or here. It doesn't matter. From what I can see, I've always seen this. It's not like she's the greatest trader in the world, but she does kind of have a wicked way of being able to pick winners, right? So that's what we care about. Entry, when you first get into a stock, the entry is everything. Absolutely. But once you're in, then it's not like the entry that matters. It's what happens after that. So the way I look at it is this. This stock gapped up yesterday, tanked, continued that tankage today. So this is down almost 20% from yesterday's open. From the high, I don't know, more. We'll put it that way. But what's really happened is the stock's down to, it's an IPO. So this is by definition a volatile stock, but it's down really into the buy zone. You can look at this stock and I'd say let's go maybe an hour, let's even go to a 15-minute chart. When there's not that many days in this, you want to zoom in and go to a tighter time frame so you can get a sense of what the short-term traders are doing. And in an IPO that just started trading not too very long ago, short-term is really defined by in the last couple days as opposed to the last month or whatever it was. So here we're looking at a 15-minute chart. I can take this and we'll just look at the regular hours. So the way I would look at this is, if you want to be buying the stock and you feel like you want to buy it on the dip, if you want to call it that, wait for the stock to come up. We'll say to wait for the stock to come up a little bit above 67. I'm going to go ahead and put a line there. This is what it looks like on the daily chart. In fact, I'll be even more precise now. The high is 66.70. So we'll put this at about, 66.70 something or other, 66.71, 66.72, something like that. So that way you're able to be in this stock. Hang on. There. Okay, now we can see it. That way you're able to be in the stock early. And if the stock starts to run up, you've got a real winner on your hands. But if it doesn't, then you don't have a loser on your hand. You're kind of out. So anyway, that's the way I would trade this. If you guys are not members of Stock Market Mentor, I invite you to become one of those. We've had some really, really monster trades lately, and some of them are still going. Like AGX just closed Sezzle a little bit ago. But the reason I'm saying that is these aren't just like stocks that, Dan covers 20 stocks a day, he's going to pick some winners. These are stocks that have been put out as trade ideas at such and such a price, with such and such a stop, with such and such a target. Like I'm framing the whole trade for you, literally walking you through everything so that, look, I know there's a certain type of person, and I get this. I think for a while I was this kind of person where you come on to a subscription website like Stock Market Mentor and say oh, I want to learn, yeah, I'm here to learn. But then what you're really doing is saying, just give me the stock picks, dude. It's all I want to do I just want to make some money. So what we do at SMM is actually focus on both. I want to teach you how to trade, but at the same time, I want to be giving you trades, like almost to the standpoint of like spoon feeding them to you. And I don't mean that in a condescending way, but spoon feeding them to you so that you can literally make money while you're learning. So if that's something that you're interested in, give it a try, baby. I'm here for you. All right. I will see you guys next time.